Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to do morph transition in PowerPoint. Why would you want to know how to do morph transition in PowerPoint? Well, maybe you are new to PowerPoint. So today I am going to show you how to do morph transition in PowerPoint. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have a picture and a text. Let's duplicate the slide. Now let's choose the duplicate one and change the place, picture and the text box. Now let's go to transition, choose morph. Nice transition. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to do morph transition in PowerPoint, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.